Today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log into Meijer credit card account. And it's pretty simple, so just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for how to log into Meijer credit card account just like this. You want to search for it. Once you search for it, it's going to show you the Meijer over here. So make sure to click on it and it'll take you to the official website of Meijer, alright, from where you guys can log into your credit card account. Now once the page loads up where it says access code, enter the access code of your account. Once you do that, where it says password, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on login and you should be able to log in into your Meijer credit card account. And if you forgot your password, then you can click on this to recover your password as well, alright? And if you want to register, you can click on register now to do that. So that's how you guys can log into your Meijer credit card account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step. I'll see you guys next time.